Hello everyone, welcome back to our next question. So for this question, the question is asking us to create basically a couple of users and a group name sysadmin, and it wants to create a collaborate directly shared sysadmin with the following users. Now, it also wants us to give it ownership. So let's just do that real quick. So open your terminal. So let's just create a group ad name sysadmin, and in order to see if we created and everything worked, I'm gonna go grep sysadmin. Now we don't go etc password, we go etc group, and you see it showed up. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna create a user named Harry, set a password for Harry, and I'm also going to create a user named Natasha. I I don't think I spelled it wrong, but also let's create basically a username Sarah, but she's not gonna have a no login shell. So I'm gonna say no login, and then in here I'm gonna say Sarah. Okay. So in order basically to see if you have that, what you could also let's do this. Let's put all of them in that group. So the group comes first. Harry and Natasha and Sarah. So now if I go ID Harry, ID Natasha, and ID Sarah, this all shows as system admin. Now let's go to the question. So yeah, the question is asking us to basically create a shareable folder, or shareable basically a file. Yeah, shareable folder where the ownership, it's only people in that group that can see it. And basically, let's say the user Harry wants to add something into that folder, he's going to be able to see it. So let's do this. So I'm going to make, and it also wants us to use this path name as well, shared sysadmin. So I'm gonna say mkdir, that's just to make a folder, but then we want to say this is our parent directly. So I'm gonna say shared, and inside of that shared, I want to have the group name sysadmin. Now let's give the ownership to the group of sysadmin. So I'm gonna use this command name charp, and then I'm gonna say sysadm sysadmin. There we go, the group. And in here, let's give it the path name again to the folder that we created. There we go. Now, in here, what I could do, if I go ls-ld to see the permission of shared sysid mail, so you see the permission, everyone doesn't have, the question is asking us basically to the user to be only read and write it, and other people should not have permission to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say shmod770. Now I'm going to check the permission once again. There we go. Now I don't want them to have the full X permission. Yes, I want them to do some stuff with it, but not full basically permission. So this is why I'll go with S. Now if I come here and check again, there we go. So now I'll be given a permission. So now to test it to see if it worked, I'm going to switch Harry, and what I'm going to do now, it's basically just to create a file to see if it works. So I'm going to say shared and sysadmin, and I'm going to say test file. Now if I look at the permission of the, there we go. So it successfully worked. Others can only like read it to see what's inside of it. We have read and write permission, and everything worked. So basically, in another way that you could also check to see, I'm not sure, I never did this, but in a other way that you can see if it kind of worked or not, I believe you go computer. I'm not sure if this is it. There we go. Shared. Sysadmin. There we go. So right now I'm inside of root, and what Harry just shared with me in that file, I was able to see it. If I just go other locations, computer location, and folder name shared, inside of shared there's a folder name test file. And what user Harry can do, um, he can actually put some stuff in it too, and me as basically a root can also see what's inside of it. So sysadmin test file, I could say hello to all of you, sysadmin. Now in order if I want to see it or not, I go files, other locations, computers, shared, sysadmin, and here it is. So everyone will see this, everyone can edit it, everyone can add their own stuff into it. Thank you for watching.